Do banks make mistakes while calculating interest rate? Financial expert Mr. Hariharan is with us today to share his experience on this particular issue.
When I went to the bank and I had a PPF with Bank of India and I was learning certified financial planning. So I'd done CFP that time and I knew how to calculate a PPF interest and how it is calculated. So I did my working. And when I go into the bank gave me a statement and the interest was not matching. So I asked the clerk there. She said, no, system, it is all system driven. It is correct. I said, I can bet it is not correct because I've done the calculation. I know how the calculation is done. So then she went to the branch manager. I explained how it is calculated. He said, I agree with you. This is how it is to be calculated. Then I said, if that is the case, this should be my corpus. And then they realized and said there's a error in the system. So what I'm trying to say is that while we keep money in savings account, again, I'm not trying to say it is good, bad. Most of us may not know what, but honestly, I don't know because I've got that flexi account, where every day that it goes into fixed deposit because it's a salary account by default, they put it there, with Axis Bank. Honestly, I've never bothered to calculate what is the interest. Only when we do the income tax return, ITR filing, I realized last year itra interest vandhuka, right? And because all captured automatically from the back end now. So I said, so much of interest has come in the account. We never bothered to check.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.